Hello beautiful makeup lovers, welcome to my channel. Today I will review some of the products from the Dior collection Backstage, like the face primer, like the brush, like the airbrush, and some goodies from the collection Wild Earth Summer Collection. If you would like to see how I do this look with those products, please keep on watching. I already prepared my skin and I have my moisturizer and my eye cream already set. Now we're going to use the Dior Universal 001 Face and Body Primer. It says that you gotta shake it. And let's test it and see the color, consistency. Oops, it doesn't really say how much to apply, but I assume that much would do. It's kind of like a peachy beige color. Apply it to my face. It says to apply it right after your skincare, which is exactly what I did, and I will use the Dior foundation brush number 11. I purchased it off the website as well. It feels divine and it smells divine. I know some people don't like fragrance in their skincare or their cosmetics. I honestly don't mind. I like it. Chanel, YSL, Carolin, they are some of the brands that really pour it into their cosmetics and skincare. Now I will be using the Face and Body Foundation, and I have these two colors, 4W and 4.5W, because this one, the 4W, is a little bit too light for me. It will be fine. I can do with it, but I like to add a little bit of the 4.5. So what we'll do is we shake the product, then we put a little bit face palette mixer, that much, and add a little bit of the 4.5. I'm not much of a mixer when it comes to foundation. I'm not good at that, or probably I'm just lazy. And with a little spatula, we're gonna mix those colors to make sure they blend correctly. Now we're going to use our brush and blend. Apply it directly to the skin. Face and Body Foundation is one of my favorite foundations. If you are oily skin, that's the foundation you should be wearing. It's perfect. My skin doesn't feel tacky. I really like this brush, and I already see the difference on my skin and my pores kind of like closing. I also like from this foundation how buildable it is. I'm not much of a full coverage foundation kind of girl, but now and then, if you're wearing a smoky eye or red lipstick, you need your skin to look very even and as polished as possible. And now we're going to use the concealer, which is the Chanel Caramel in number 91. Do a little bit here, where those nasty dark circles are. Here, we're gonna use it as a primer for our eyeshadow. And I will use the same brush. I think I'm gonna use a little bit of my Giorgio Armani concealer, just a tiny bit. The bridge on my nose. Alright, I'm going to powder only my eye area using my Chanel translucent powder. Make sure that you have no crease on your eyelids. I will not powder my under eyes just in case I make a mistake and I want to come back and clean up a little bit. And in this tutorial I will be using Terra, and this is one of the 2 eyeshadows from Dior Wild Earth 2019 summer collection. With my Refer 02 brush, and this is natural hair, I will go with my I will start with the lightest color on the palette, right on my lid. It's a beautiful kind of rosy color, and just pat, pat, pat. Go a tiny bit of your crease and pat. I will go with a Wayne Goss number 20 on the darkest color on the palette, this one. And apply this color right on the crease at the end of my eye and blend. Now with the Refer 01 brush, just blend that color. Now with the same Wayne Goss number 20 brush, go on your lower lashes and define it with the same dark color. I'm gonna go back to my Tom Ford with the same dark color to intensify the outer corner because it's not grasping the color like I thought it would. Perfect. Now with the same brush from Refer, I'm gonna go to this kind of orange color right here, and go in the middle of the crease right here and add to it so those colors blend. Gives it some dimension. You have to draw like some sort of a V, another V, so these colors blend. But being careful not to overtake all the real estate and covering the dark color as well. Now, with a very small brush, this one is from Refer number 3, I'm gonna go into the gold color right in the middle. And right here, on the inner corner of my eyes, add some light. With the same Refer brush number 2, I will go with this lightest shade, apply it to my brow bone. Now with my double-sided pencil from Dior in brown and gold, I will just define my eyelashes. I'm not going to use black eyeliner, and draw it very, very close to my eyelashes. You can do black eyeliner if you wish. Alright, moving on to mascara, I will use my Dior Maximizer Primer, eyelash primer. This is one of my favorites. Now with my Dior Show Pump and Volume, we'll apply mascara. Moving on to blush, I will use the Rouge Blush 962 Poison Matte from Dior. With my Tom Ford 06 brush, this is the cheek brush and natural hair. Move the excess on the back of my hand. This is the 001 Dior Nude Air Highlighter. With my brush Sculpt 2, remove the back of the excess on the back of my hand. Oops, is this intense? little bit of my Cupid's bow. And that's why I suggest, at least I do, is apply my highlighter first and then my blush. I will reapply more of my blush. Again, the excess on the back of my hand. And it looks so much natural right here already. Oh yeah. A little bit on my eyes to bring that color in. I prime my lips before I do my makeup using the Dior Smoothing Plumping Lip Balm. I love it. It's one of my favorites, along with other. I will use the Dior Addict Lip Tattoo, but first I will line my lips a little bit, very lightly. Bring that lip liner a little bit inside of your lips, so I can even out the color better. Okay, now this is the color. And let me see if I can read the color is 771. This is how it looks. It's like a dark brownish pink mauve color, I don't know. Has this nice tint. Okay, now we're going to clean the edges. Same brush. Okay, perfect. Well, it's drying because it's a very soft formula. Now I will use one of the Christian Dior Lip Glow Balm. With this, my lips won't look and feel dry. The lip tattoo won't make your lips feel dry or look dry, but still with me, with my lips, I really cannot get away with anything like that. It just makes my lips look really bad. And this lip balm from Dior is in color 001. Beautiful, and a must have. I highly recommend this product. If you don't want to wear lipstick, if you don't want to draw your lips with a lip liner, you just want to just have a little color that will last and hydrate your lips, this is it. Now we're going to try, this is the Air Flash Radiance Mist. We're going to give it a try. You have to really shake it. You're supposed to do like a Z with this, but I don't think that's gonna work for me, so I'm just going to do it from here. Oops. Try not to breathe and inhale that. That smells real good. And let's see, oh, my skin looks nice. With this, I completed the look. I basically used everything I got from the website and all the things that I already had. I couldn't get my hands on the Glow palette, the glitz, because it was sold out. It was sold out there and at Sephora.com, and they don't have it at the stores. I went and looked for, they don't have it. But this, I really like this product, and this is how it looks on the skin. They have two colors, light and medium to dark skin, very nice. I will see what's the effect if I don't break out, if I'm not get oily. I will keep you posted and let you know how did I do. Now with this, my skin looks fantastic. It feels radiant and soft. I love it. I really like and enjoy using the brush. Very nice. If you can get your hands on it, I really like it. And of course, I'm a big fan of the Dior Show Pump and Plump. I will link below all of the products that I use on this tutorial, so please feel free to check, and now you can see how it looks on me, if you're lighter than my complexion or if you are deeper. And with this, we finish this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not. I upload videos every week, and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.